It's day 6 of 100 days Python DSS series. The question number 14, lead code, longest common prefix. So we have to identify the longest common prefix from all the words present in the str strings. So you're observing the common letter, the first flower word observe ಮಾಡಿ, the common letter will be F and the flow will be common letter F, and the flight the common letter will be F and L, and in here also L and here also L. So like O, but here high. So the longest common prefix will be FL. Let's jump into the intuition behind this problem. So understanding logic is very important before going to implementation part directly. So the logic here is to solve this problem. There is a 2 to 3 approaches. One, vertical sorting method. Sorry, vertical scanning method. Horizontal scanning method. And another one is sorting first, then prefix postfix order. So the best for interview will be vertical scanning method, and most commonly used method is horizontal scanning method. I'm going to explain these two methods, how it's going to work. First to horizontal scanning method explain ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. So horizontal method ಹೇಗೆ ವರ್ಕ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, at simultaneously each word, that is word 1, word 2 and word 3 traverse ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, scan ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ, and simultaneously each character from word 1 and word 2 and word 3 horizontally scan ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. So it's very difficult to apply scanning both word and the characters, and also not traversing characters. We have to find if the character is matching, that is same, FFF will be same or not. Like that we have to find a matching or not. So complexity ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅವಾಗ order of n square ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. It's very difficult to achieve using outer for loop and inner for loop. ಸೊ ಎರಡು ಫಾರ್ ಲೂಪ್ ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಒಂದು ವರ್ಡ್ ಗೆ ಟ್ರಾವರ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಟ್ರಾವರ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಬಟ್ ದಟ್ಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಆಪ್ಟಿಮಲ್ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್. ಸೊ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಫಾರ್ ವರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್, ವರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ ಸ್ಕ್ಯಾನಿಂಗ್ ಮೆಥಡ್. ಸೊ ವರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ ಸ್ಕ್ಯಾನಿಂಗ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಹೇಗೆ ವರ್ಕ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, ವರ್ಟಿಕಲಿ ವರ್ಕ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಫ್ಲವರ್ and flow and also flight, right? Yeah, flight. It's going to scan in vertical manner in such a way that